Hi there, my name is Rena. Summer is a good time for reading because you have plenty of time. Today I'm going to read you Daisy Has the Hiccups. Daisy has the hiccups. Are you ready for school, Danny? Yes, I'm ready, Mom. Danny went to the cupboard and he got his school bag. Are you ready for school, Daisy? Hick, hick, hick. They all looked at Daisy. Mom said, "Poor Daisy, you have the hiccups. I can help you. Shut your eyes. Now count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hick, Dad said, "Poor Daisy, you still have the hiccups. I can help you. Here, some water. Hold your nose. Now drink the water." Daisy held her nose and drank the water. Hick, Mom said, "Poor Daisy, you still have the hiccups. I can help you. Shut your eyes." Daisy shut her eyes. Clap your hands. Daisy clapped her hands. Hop up and down. Daisy hopped up and down. Mom said, "Poor Daisy, you still have the hiccups." Hick, Dad said, "Poor Daisy, go and take your school bag." Boo! Help, there's a monster in the cupboard. Dad said, "It's not a monster, it's Danny." Daisy said, "I was scared, but you stopped my hiccups. Thank you, Danny."